Right, here's the box as it arrived from Hobbies yesterday. So we'll have a look to see what's inside. Well packed with a lot of bubble wrap. Normally this would be given to the dog to play with, but today we need it for packaging our parcels. First thing we've got is the paint pack. And the glue pack. This is the actual model kit. Come to that later. And I did buy a stand for it. I was quite surprised to find that this is actually also a kit. There's the base, wood to cut to make the sides, the rails, instructions, and tiles. These have all got to be cut out, stuck down and painted. But that will have to wait because I can't do that until I've done at least the bogey. Right, get a knife. We'll look at the paint pack to start with. There's 9 pots of paint in here, 17mm in a pot. And the colours to match the LCC colours that were on the original Type B Tram. Especially made by the company Layton to adhere to difficult surfaces like metal and balsa wood and that sort of thing. That's the glue. This is the glue pot. It has one large pot of speed bond, which bonds wood, foam, fabric and paper, and a 20-gram pot of thick non-runny Crino glue, bonds in 10 to 20 seconds, or super glue. Right, now we have the kit box, and as you can see from the kit, there's plenty of metal parts in the compartment. I'll just open the seal on this. First time I've made one of these box of all metal parts and a few little wooden ones there. There this comes out. Well, this is the instruction book for it. Tells you what tools you need. Now to cut everything out. First thing you make is the body, all put together with wood. So it's very good and clear instructions on it. And then there's a list of, in English, there's a description to all the photos that are in the other booklet. Let's see. How to get into the box. Still there. Now we can see what is actually in the box. Lots of pieces of brass. Pieces of wood, plywood, all laser cut. More pieces of different shaped woods. And then in here we have all the transfers. Go onto the sides. There's also a bag of pins with eyes on. And that is all that's in the box. Next time we'll start going through the drawings and looking at starting to build it. So until then, bye!